Hello guys, it's me X Gamer. So I'm going to show you GTA 5 gameplay guys. So I am playing an alien invasion mission. I will show you guys. So guys, it's a fan made guys, but it's great guys. If you are boring, you can play this game nicely guys. So I will show you the gameplay, and if you like this video and subscribe this video, and if you go to the bell icon, I can provide you how to download this game guys. So you can see here guys, I will draw and show you. Guys, wait for a second. Guys, you can see guys, GTA 5, and now let's start the game. So I'm choosing the easy guys. So you can see the game is starting here. You can see it's not original guys here. So guys, sorry guys, I will move it. Guys, sorry guys, I died. Now I will show you again. Guys, this is an original video. You can see this here guys. So I will retry. You can see guys, the game is starting here. If you guys, I'm telling again, if you tell me to in the comments that you what guys, oh my god, he's running. Oh guys, this is quite effective guys. Guys, you can see the game is running smoothly on every Android guys. Guys, so it's not made up by my guys, it's made up by our user games guys. So guys, it's powered by, so you can see guys, I failed the mission here. Now let's retry. Guys, so this is, I will take 2 try and I will show you one more gameplay video of the GTA Vice City guys. Guys, this game is crazy guys. Guys, this game is crazy. So you can see guys, I died again. Now I will show you one more thing in this game guys. So let's quit. I will quit this game and show you. So guys, you can see, I will show you the storage of this game guys. You may think it may take 1.9 GB or 8 GB guys. I will show you. It's taking quite low storage guys, so you can see it. here guys, 177 MB. I will show you. You can see here guys, 1.7 MB. That's quite low for this game guys, and I have many games like GTA Vice City Android. Then I will show the it will use 4% battery since last fully charged guys, and the data is 6.5 guys. I just downloaded now itself guys, and I think I can show it you guys, and you can see 34 MB memory you used in last 3 hours guys. Now I will show you the gameplay of one more game, means this guys. This is our, sorry guys, my drawing get wrong. I will show you the home screen guys, that will be nice. So you can see GTA Vice City Android. So this is quite great guys. Now I will show you the gameplay of it. You can see guys. Now you may thinking that guys, that this game will hang in every device guys, but it's not hanging guys. So my device is quite low guys, not expensive like Asus guys. So I will show my device in next video guys, and I will show you the GTA San Andreas, and I will show you how to download this. If you want to learn to download this, you have to like and subscribe this video guys, because I can know guys, if you love this video, then only I will show this gameplay guys. I will little bit get low guys, so hope you all like this video. So I will show you one more gameplay. So on my device, or when I go to the bridge, this game will hang guys. Then it is not hanging at all. I will show you. You can see guys, I'm not playing any missions now. Oh, instance. Now I will kill anyone and show you. Okay. Now guys, what should I will take a weapon? So here it is. So I will destroy my car, and I will show it to you guys. You can see guys. Now I will kill this man and show you. Oh my god, this car is burning. You can see. Thanks bro lads. I will show you other more things. And guys, now I will show you why killing a police or the. So guys, I failed the mission. Oh, that's it. Then now let's check other things. So let's go to the Play Store, and I will show you. So guys, you can see it's installed. I will show you. You can see guys, it's installed. If I want, I can uninstall it. If I want, I can open it guys. Then let's quit this. So thanks our user games for helping me for download this GTA Alien Vision Alien Invasion, and thanks Android King for helping me for downloading the GTA Vice City guys. I will show again the gameplay of the Grand Theft Auto Alien Invasion. So this may be the last gameplay I'm showing you guys. Guys, nowadays I'm getting too low subscribers guys, because No one is liking my video, guys, because that's the problem. So please help me now and like my video, guys. And so today I will do the shout out of the little people who help me for download, help me for support me for making this video. So the first one is Nadine Dinesh. The second one is the Tom Hauser, guys. So I'm only showing you the two peoples now. If you want, I will show the second people. Now you can see here. You can see here, guys. It's not, since it's not an official GTA 5 APK game on Android device, so you will find many bugs and glitches. So guys, and you can see it take 110 MB, guys. So let's throw it. Next time I will show the gameplay of this game, guys. GTA 5 Prologue. So let's cut it. Now let's start the game. So this time I play easy. Now let's play extreme, guys. This may be little bit hard for me, but I will show you. Because guys, I every time play GTA 5 on the PS3, guys. Now on this, I can't get the controls, guys. Come on, let's say. Oh, it's quite hard. Oh, he's coming. Runner. Oh, look at they're coming, guys. They're quite. Oh, guys, you can see everyone is coming together, guys. Let's cancel it. Now you can see this one. That mission failed. Michael was adapted to the Earth, guys. So I will show you another thing. So I think let's download it, guys. So for downloading this, I will show you. To download GTA 5 GTA Alien Invasion, you have to go to the first you have to download one application on the Archiver, guys, and I will show you. So guys, I'm going to download this game and I will show you how to download this game, guys. So it's quite easy to download this game. I will show you, guys. So you will need only one application to download this game. One is Archiver, and I will show you playing this game. First I need to uninstall this game, guys, and I will show you. Then I'm not giving any link in the description, guys, so sorry about that. So if I can, I will show you the link in the description, guys. So let's check how to download it. So guys, so this game video is also sponsored by GG Gamer Point, guys, which help us to provide this game. So you have to do is to first https mediafire.com. You can see this one. So download it. So 1 minute, guys. You can see guys, GTA 5 mission are users. Then I'm not downloading it, guys. So, and after downloading this, open this, guys. I will wait for a second. I will install the APK. To install the APK, you have to go to the Archiver. Okay, guys, now go to your download. Then you can see one thing, guys. You like this. I will show you this GTA 5 mission R user 7 set, guys. So quit it. Sorry, guys. So click it, guys, and click extract here. And I'm not putting any password, guys. So let's do it. After doing like this, I'm not extracting it because I has it already. Then let's Sorry guys, yes, and you will get two things like this guys. Better I will show you extracting. That's great guys. So the first thing to download is just extract. Click on the extract here. So guys, wait for this extracting. It may take little time, but patience is the key of success guys. So let's wait for downloading this. So let's wait for downloading. It's taking a little bit time guys. Okay. So when I extract this APK, I got two things. You will got two things, that two file or something else guys. So first is this one. So I will show you number one, and the second one is our user alien invitation guys. So this is the second one, and now just to click on this. Sorry guys, I click on this APK and click on the open. Then wait for a second guys. Okay, now install it. Guys, let's wait for the installing. And guys, you may think it will work on Pi or Android 10.0, Oreo, Nugget, Marshmallow, like that. It will work on every Android device, but it will not work on Android 4.0 to 3.0 guys. It will not work for 1.0 to 4.0 guys. Now let's, after installing this, you can get this thing. Then you have to do is click, then copy it to the device memory, go to the Android, click on the OBB, then paste it. I'll show you. So after pasting it, just close all from your recent apps as I show, like this, and go where you install the APK. Here guys, I installed the APK. You can see guys, here it is, my Grand Theft Auto Alien Invitation. You can see here guys. So okay, now let's play and check it down. Okay guys, you can see now guys. Oh, that sounded so horror. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and bye guys. And one more thing, don't quit guys. So that I am going to say is like, subscribe and share this video to everyone and get best notifications about my video. You have to do is to click on the bell icon, like I will show you how to do this. So yeah, this is my channel guys. So I will show you one thing. Sorry guys, so click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and you will see a bell icon guys, and you can see this one guys, and click on the share and go on WhatsApp, and you can share it to everyone guys. So thanks for watching this video, and bye. So we can see in the another video guys.